friends, it's Sunshine Annie back with my DIY composition book planner. And yes, this is a composition notebook from, I believe this one was from the Dollar Tree. So far we've done September, October, November, December. This is from December 3rd through the 16th. I'm doing a little Christmas tree on this page, or these two pages, as an advent calendar countdown. And you can see I've got all my ornaments as my countdown. This past week, I had a little bit of an accident. I slipped. It was rainy on Monday, and I slipped on my way to work. Ended up with a nice ambulance ride to the ER because I was having back spasms. I didn't know at the time. I thought I had broken something, but I didn't, thank goodness. And so I'm on the mend. We have a little dog a puppy that we are training, and it's been kind of crazy. We've started a dog training course, and that is amazing. If you're in the Central Maine area or further and are interested in it, I would recommend highly Bessie's Positive Paws in Whitefield, Maine. She is phenomenal, a lot of knowledge. So this is what it looked like. This, ta-da, is for December 7th through the 23rd. Now, I did some of it ahead because it's just crazy, and I have to do stuff when I have time because of the holidays. What I decided to do, these little candies, these are from an old Creative Memories pack that I had, and it had like candies and stuff on it. What I'm going to do for this Advent part of my calendar is I'm going to add the popcorn and cranberries to make a little garland down the side. And I might even put some of the bells in. I'm not sure. It depends on how I feel. I'm kind of liking the red and the popcorn look. So for today, I think I'm going to start with a piece of popcorn for Sunday. So see, it's going to cover up my little holes quite well. And then the next one will be a cranberry or a bell, depending on how I feel. And then I've drawn these little, I'm calling them Christmas lights. They're squiggles, but I'm coloring them in to look like Christmas lights on the tree. This week, our menu item, I think we are going to be doing some different comfort foods. We will definitely be doing a mac and cheese night. We'll definitely be doing a meatloaf night, and we always do some sort of pasta, and we do a takeout. We always do a takeout on a night where we're just so tired that neither one of us wants to cook. So I'm not sure how that's going to fall in. I'm not going to write it in yet. But today we've already gone and done some shopping just to finish up Christmas shopping. I ran into, we have a place that's a True Value. It's called Campbell's. So I ran into Campbell's. I ran into Walgreens. And I ran into Joann Fabrics. Just for some last minute things that we needed. We also treated ourselves, if you're in Central Maine, then you know of Sunrise Bagel. So we treated ourselves to Sunrise Bagel this morning. This is what this week is looking like so far. I do have, my normal early release on Wednesdays, and we have a half a day Friday. I'm going to put in my goals. So my goals have changed a little bit because after the fall, I've had to be gentle with myself. So I need to remind myself to be gentle because I try to push too much sometimes. I need to make sure to make good choices, make healthy choices in my eating. Because, you know, this time of year, people bring all the goodies into the office, and I just need to, actually into the teacher's room. So, and they're lovely, and they're sweet for doing it. But we're stressed out. When we're stressed out, you know, stress eating, man, it's real. Also, try to get to move more. I'm just going to put move more and stretch, because that will help my back a lot. It's to stretch. And as far as mindfulness, so it's very stressful. So, you know, take some time, have a cup of tea. It won't fix everything, but take some deep breaths and count your blessings. I have a roof over my head. I have food on my table. I have clothes on my body. I have fresh water to drink, and I'm thankful for those things. I have a loving family. I hope you are enjoying the season. I love the Christmas carols, the old traditional ones. I like some of the new ones too, but nothing gets me more than an Ave Maria or a Silent Night or What Child Is This? They blow me away. I'm a mess. Josh Groban singing anything. Tune in next week. I will have this finished, and I'll have my last Christmas Eve countdown. I hope you have a great week and try to relax and enjoy the season. Many blessings to you all.